Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce Xbox latency. First, always connect your Xbox directly to your router with an Ethernet cable for the most stable connection. Ensure your internet speed is at least 25 megabits per second download and 3 megabits per second upload. Also, close any background applications or downloads on your Xbox and other devices that might be consuming bandwidth. These initial steps are crucial for a smoother, more responsive gaming experience right from the start. Next, optimize your network settings. Utilize quality of service, or QoS, on your router to prioritize your Xbox's internet traffic, giving it precedence over other devices. If a wired connection isn't possible, consider upgrading to a router that supports Wi-Fi 6 or higher for better wireless performance. Also, place your router centrally, away from obstructions and other electronics, to maximize signal strength and minimize interference. These adjustments significantly improve network responsiveness. Now, let's adjust your display and console settings. Always enable game mode on your television or monitor. This feature is designed to drastically reduce input lag. Disable any post-processing features like motion smoothing or dynamic contrast, as they add latency. Finally, match your Xbox's display settings to your monitor's refresh rate, ideally 120 Hz, for the smoothest visual experience. These display tweaks are vital for immediate feedback. For advanced tips and ongoing maintenance, regularly clear your Xbox's cache by performing a full power cycle. This helps remove temporary data that can slow things down. Always ensure your Xbox console and all your games are updated to their latest versions, as updates often include performance improvements. Lastly, consider investing in a low-latency gaming monitor with a response time of 1 millisecond or less for the ultimate competitive edge. These steps ensure consistent, low-latency gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.